Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakob right here, and in this video you are going to learn how to make this modern Polygon logo in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about CorelDRAW you'll be notified and you watch the video. And without being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can make this simple modern Polygon. First thing to do is to go to your toolbar right here and click on hold down. So this time around, make sure you choose Polygon. Then after you choose your Polygon, you have to come to the Polygon property and make sure you type 6 right here. Your Polygon size should be 6 angle. Then you have to come to the workspace and press Ctrl key down and draw a perfect polygon like this. Then you have to press P to centralize. Then next thing you need to do is to pick your ruler, both vertical and then horizontal, and make sure you snap to the center of the polygon, just like this. Alright, so next thing you need to do is to select your polygon shape. Then having selected your polygon shape, you have to come to the home tab, go to window. From window, you have to look for Docker. Then from Docker, you have to look for corners. Click on corners. Then this window is going to pop up, and one thing you need to make sure that your fillet is checked, and then come to the radius, make sure it's 120 and then hit on apply. So you're going to have something like this. Okay, so next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar from the side here, click and hold down, make sure you choose your ellipse or circle. Then you have to press Ctrl key down and draw a perfect circle. Then you have to press P to centralize your circle. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar right here, and this time around click and hold down and choose 3-point line curve. So you can press Ctrl plus to zoom out, Ctrl plus to zoom out, and you can press H to remove to. Alright, so you can go back to your 3-point line curve, and you start from the edge straight to the top and makes it curve this way. So you are going to have something like this. Then you can come to the corner window right here, click on here to close the window. So next thing you need to do is to double click on this particular shape, and then you are going to have a rotation pane. Snap the rotation pane to the center of the page. So you are going to have something like this. So by the time I double click again and on this particular stroke, so you will have the rotation pane at the center of the page. So next thing you need to do is to go back to window. Then from window, you have to look for Dockers. Then from Docker, you have to look for transform. So you're going to have a transform window like this. Right here, make sure you type in 60 and make sure your copy is 6. And at a point here, make sure your transform or rotate is active and hit on apply. So you're going to have something like this. Then you can press Ctrl minus to zoom in, and H to the move tools, so we can adjust the logo. Now next thing you need to do is to come to the toolbar right here. This time around, click and hold down and choose Smart Fill. So having choose Smart Fill, you can begin to fill the logo shape like this. Alright, so once you are done filling the logo shape with the Smart Fill, next thing you need to do is to press Shift key and select each of the logo shape. Then you can drag the logo shape out. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and right click on here to remove stroke. You can come to the home tab right here and make sure you group the logo shape, or you press Ctrl J on your keyboard to group the logo shape. Next thing you want to do is to select all these and press delete key on your keyboard. Then fall back to the logo shape and press P to centralize. Then you can come back to the transform window and close it, because we don't need transform window again. then you can easily delete all the ruler, both the vertical ruler and the horizontal ruler. Delete everything. Right click and choose delete. Next thing you want to do is to select the logo shape. And now we select the logo shape, you have to come to the home tab here. Make sure you ungroup all objects. Next thing you want to do is to apply color to your logo. So I'm going to start from this angle right here. Select on this shape, come down below right here, click and hold down. This time around, make sure you choose your interactive fill. Having choose your interactive fill, come to the property right here, make sure you choose fonting. You're going to have something like this. Then you can adjust the direction of your gradient. Then at this point here, you have to change the color. So I'm going to use my high color drop. The color I use for this point is cyan. Then I have to select on the top color. From the angle right here, I have to click on here. And I will use my high color drop again. And I'm going to use blue at the top. So you're going to have something like this. So I can adjust. You can play around with your gradients. Everything depends on how you want the logo to look like. So you can select each of the logo shape right now and press shift key and select each of the logo shape. What you want to do is to come back to your toolbar right here, click and hold down and make sure you choose interactive fill. So this time around you have to come to copy fill. So when you select your copy fill, then you have to copy this color right here. Now you need to work on the gradient action, so you can start from any angle of your choice. So from the point here, I'm going to redirect the gradient. So you have to come to the gradient palette again. So this angle here, I have to adjust it this way. Finally, you have to select all the logo shape and come to the home tab right here and make sure you group. And you can press shift key and adjust the logo shape. Next thing you want to do is to come to the toolbar right here, click and hold down, make sure you choose your ellipse or circle. Then you draw a circle at the bottom of the logo shape. Fill it with black color. Then go to your transparent tools. From transparent, make sure you choose fonting. From fonting, make sure you choose radial. So at this point here, you can press shift key and drag to increase the shadow. So you can press shift key and select the logo shape and press letter C. This allows you to align properly. You can press Ctrl J to group all. Then you can press shift key and increase the logo size. And press P to centralize. Then you have to come to the page border right here and double click on the rectangle to create a page border. So having created a page border, you can come to the color right here and fill it with gray. Come down below here and make sure you right click on here to remove the stroke. So this is how you can make this simple Polygon logo in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in CorelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.